Hey, what's up, guys? So, as you saw, we got another package from Spania. Wasn't happy with the way that their adjustable test pipe fit on the one of my previous videos. It didn't quite fit. The flange with the bolt holes was just too big, and I couldn't drill through it. But let me show you what we got sent. So this one is essentially the same part, but it has a cat in it, so it'll be quieter. And the flange, the holes are milled out, so it should fit theoretically. We're gonna put it up in the car. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna put this under there and see if this flange fits, and then we can get rid of that gutted cap and have, a functioning high flow cap. And you see, when the cold weather was here, my door froze shut and my door handle broke. So we got some more door handles on the way, but man, I can't stand that. It was one of the things that when I got this car I was really happy about, was that both door handles were not broken. And you can see now the driver's side door handle's broke, and I didn't even pull on it. This is so thin. It's really common that these are broken, but I didn't snatch on the door or anything. All I did was lift it, and it just popped off in my hand. But there's a new one on the way, and then maybe once we get it installed, we can start working on getting this thing one solid color. And I'm excited about that. But anyway, today's mission, getting that to fit so this exhaust isn't wildly obnoxious like it has been. Alright, so I measured this converter up against my factory converter, and I added just a little bit of length to it. I got it clocked the way that I need it to clock. So now I'm just gonna flux up these gaps so it don't come out, and that's it. Then we can reinstall it. I'm just gonna weld these seams up so they don't come apart on the road, and then we can reinstall it under the car. Alright, so I got it, I got the pipe welded up, and it is bolted up in there. I put the 3 bolts in the rear, but right now I just have to go back under and tighten up the ones in the front. But yeah, I got the ones in the rear tightened all the way. I haven't tightened the ones in the front yet. I only got 1 bolt in. It's just it's hard to do everything at once and film, because I can't get the car up high enough to actually move around up under there. So this will probably be the last you guys see of it until the car's back on the ground, because it's really hard to get under there and actually film it. But we'll see. I gotta go get the other bolt and put it in on that side, and then we'll get in there and tighten it up. Alright guys, so we got it all back together. Hey, and we're gonna go for a little drive around the block, see what it does. You ready? All right. She's still pretty loud, but it is quieter than it was. It's very rattly though, like it hits against the back of the car pretty roughly. Still a lot louder than what I would want it to be, but it sounds better. What do you think?
Go.
Good to go? Good to go? Well guys, it's still loud and obnoxious. It's a little bit quieter with the cat on it than it was before. But I guess this just is what it is for right now. It doesn't sound terrible, it's just really loud. Yeah, it sounds like farts, don't it? But the car feels good without power steering, and it's a more manageable exhaust tone than it was before. It's not wholly obnoxious. It does rattle against the bottom of the car a pretty good bit. But I guess that kind of just is what it is until we do something better. Because even with that flange being slotted, it barely fit the header. I had to really force that, really had to force it. So I'm pretty sure those bolts are going to break at some point. I just hope it doesn't do it while we're on the road. But it's not the best. So we might end up going to we might end up doing something a little better sometime down the road, but for right now it'll work. And I'm tired of spending money on exhaust. But anyway, that's it for this one. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, bye-bye. Yay. Alright, guys, we'll see you in the next one.